Hi, I'm Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a dish just in 10 minutes. It's only need 5 materials. Okay, let's see. The first one, 一 is 葱, 青葱 is a green onions, scallion. The second one, 二 is 蒜, 大蒜. There are 4 basic materials you can find in most Chinese dishes. It's called 四君子, 葱姜蒜. And the last one is 椒. You can think it's pepper, chili pepper, 辣椒, and also you can think it's 花椒, Sichuan pepper. And in today's dish, we just only need 2 materials, 葱 and 蒜. And that's our third one, 3 material is 盐, salt, 1 spoon of salt, 盐. And the first one, 4 is 卷心菜, cabbage, 卷心菜. The fifth, 5 is mushroom, 香菇. Now let's get started. 3、2、1，开始。Okay, the first thing we need to do is 切菜. You need to chop the vegetables into small pieces, and you need to pay for the cabbage, and peel off the leaves carefully and tear the leaves by hand into large pieces about 3 inches. Remember, only use your hand, not use your knife, because the taste is totally different. 用手撕开包菜，而不是用刀切。Next, chop your mushrooms into slices. 把香菇切成条状。第2步就是放油 add oil。第3步就是炒菜is fry your vegetables together. First, you need to put the garlic into the hot pan. 第1步，你要首先把这个蒜先放进去炒熟。Next, you need to put the cabbage into the hot pan. 卷心菜，炒卷心菜。Next is to put the mushroom. Mix a mushroom. 炒香菇。If you found it's too dry, then you can put more oil. 再放油再加一点油。And now you can put some water, add 加水to make it taste more fresh. Okay, now you can add the scallions. 放葱。The last step is add salt, 加盐. Add 1 spoon of salt, 加盐. Now you can mix all the vegetables together and then cover the pan with a lid and steam vegetables for about 2 minutes, and then it's done. « 好，现在就完成了，finished. Thank you for watching my video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.